Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character shén step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write. Shén, spirit, expressive, look. For example, 提神, to freshen up. To watch out. Here is a sentence. I often refresh myself with a cup of coffee. 我常喝咖啡提神。I often refresh myself with a cup of coffee.我常喝咖啡提神。常 often 喝咖啡提神 refresh myself 我常喝咖啡提神I often refresh myself with a cup of coffee. 我常喝咖啡提神。My daily handwriting on the character 神。神 spirit, expressive, look. 提神 to freshen up, to watch out. I often refresh myself with a cup of coffee. 我常喝咖啡提神。神 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 神. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.